It's gonna be something. This video is gonna be something. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is shop too much. I play in makeup. I'm awkward as fuck. And sometimes I might talk a little shit. Why do I look like this and why are my teeth red? Don't look. Let me tell you why. I've been going through it, okay? So I'm just gonna install a wig. I'm gonna put on a nice little wig. And I'm going to also, I'm gonna brush my teeth too. But I don't know what I'm really gonna do. I don't know, my hair is really soft right now. I just washed it and I put in some stuff and oh my God, the volume, the thickness is nice. So if you've seen this video that I put up, the little short right here, and I also put it on my TikTok about this wig that I got, I still got it. I'm gonna return that. I did like a little, what's that thing called? It's like a exchange. That's what I did. Because there was no way in hell I was gonna put that on my head. I wasn't even gonna attempt to put it on my head. I wasn't gonna wash it and then put it on my head. The thing is nipped, slipped, dipped, tricked, dyed, damn near laid to the side. Any other rhyming words you could think of. That was that wig. And I was just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna put it in my head. So I told them, hey, this one is used. Can you send me another one? I didn't even get past the part of the wig not even feeling like human hair because I could have sworn in the description or in the title it said it was human hair. Maybe I'm making things up. Maybe here's the proof. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna put in that wig today. The new one, not the old one. I'm sending that bitch back, but the one that they just sent me. So let me show you the wig. This is the packaging that it came in. You know, I've had better, you know? It's kind of like a rough plasticky kind of feel. Hurry up and print kind of feel. Send it out and get the fuck out of my face kind of feel. Give me my money kind of feel. That's what this feels like. It doesn't feel the greatest. And then you have what the wig was supposed to look like. The wig itself. This one right here. Yeah, it's giving not human hair. It's probably like a blend, if anything, because it doesn't feel like synthetic, but it doesn't feel like human hair either. So it's probably like a blend. It's got little highlights in it. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Probably not. Maybe. You can see it. You can see it. I don't know. This is what we're putting on today. It's gonna be something. This video is gonna be something. Ah, the hair fell on my coffee. Alrighty, so now that we got that out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and do something with this. And I learned a neat little new technique thing, you know, because your girl did her research on how to do a wig cap. So I'm gonna do it. So this process will be very short because we're just gonna jump into the wig. Oh, I forgot to show you the inside parts of the wig. My bad. So the description of the wig is pre-plucked bob, Incity 10-inch gray color. Okay, so I'm gonna speed through this part and then we'll get to the wig cap and I'll show you the new techniques that I learned, right? Right. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I just had to get to that one part. It's one of my favorite parts of the song. Anyways, so we're all braided up right here, right? Braided to the best of the abilities. I'm not gonna let you see the back at all. Insert look at the bitch's braids. Don't look at my braids. Okay, so when I pulled out that wig, it didn't come with a wig cap. It did not. I got nothing. Nothing. It did not come with a wig cap. It's a good thing I got extras. I mean, This is really giving the bare minimum. Like it said, here's your wig, leave me the f alone. Gotta dig in my own dang collection for wig. So for this wig cap method, I learned that, oh, I got plastic in my mouth there. What the heck? This wig cap method, I learned that, you know, you put the cap over your head. Ooh, this is a tiny cap. Oh my God, who is this made for? Should I keep it? Oh my God. Oh my God. It's very loose though. Got the cap on, right? I need to put like the stuff on here like I was supposed to. Not in this video. That was all wrong. That was a hot ass mess, sticky and painful. This one should be a lot simpler because I'm trying my best to go off of her directions. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and do it right this time. Oh no! Where's my got-to-be glue? Oh, I found it. I wasn't looking for my got-to-be glue. I was looking for my bold hold gold words stuff. Okay, so we take the little bit right here. And I want to make sure I'm only keeping it on the cap part. I'm only putting it on the parts of my head that my hair doesn't reach because I got this weird looking thing. Like some people do it like this and they put it over their head so they can get like all of this. I should do that too. I'm gonna do that. I lied. Shut the hell up and just do it. Yeah, and then I could just put it right there. Some people also use pantyhose, and I feel like that's what I have on my head right now. It says wig cap, but it's giving pantyhose. We are looking delicious, like a snackety snackerson. Blow dry. Going to the second layer now. It's tacky, but you know, I'm gonna add another layer. Added my second layer. Added my second layer. Too much. Now I'm just doing too much because I can. Second blow dry. Okay, so it's still a little tucker. So this is what I'm gonna do, right? Because I am an impatient ass bitch. I'm going to snip this part right here because I feel like that's where a lot of the restraint is, and it gives me a headache if I leave that part on. I don't know why I keep leaving it on there, but I do. So I'm gonna snip it off. I'm gonna add a third layer. and then we could go ahead and do the install. So, you know, but you'll see. We'll see when we get there. I'm a bald-headed bitch. Ooh, a bald-headed bitch, yo. I'm a bald-headed bitch. Ooh, a bald-headed bitch, yo. I tried to hit those notes, but I got lazy. Snip, 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 snapping it all the way. Yeah. Ah! Too much. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You're tripping. You are tripping. Don't ever do that again. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so see, this isn't too unreasonable from what I normally do. I'm still nervous. Get my handy dandy mirror. I just want to make sure that I get the fuzz off. So I want this to be as smooth as possible. Yeah. Third layer. Gonna be a little bit shy. Let's not do it so right. Let's not do it so right. Okay, so I used my little bit of alcohol, cleaned up this little part right here, okay? Cleaned it up a little bit. She's a little stiff, a little sticky, but a little stiff. Now we're gonna spray. Now for the spray or the tint or the shade or whatever, I use this little tinted spray. Found it off of the Amazon. You know, you can find it if you want to. And I just, you know, just dun, 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 dun. I'm a ball bitch. I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna clean it up again. You know, got a little bit of the spray on my forehead. Don't want that there. Don't want it there. Now some people use powder and that's fine. I just don't have any. So I'm just relying on my spray. Okay, let's actually put this bit on. Just to try and see where I want it to fit. All right, it looks like it's gonna sit nice. So I'm gonna trim it and I'll be right back. So I gotta change my battery. So I'll be right back.
My body is your party, baby. Nobody's invited but your baby. I can do it slow now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it off. 'Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. I'm doing this little thing for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Oh, boy, you should know that.
Alrighty, so I got the headband on. This wax stick is a godsend. I should have used this so long ago. I don't know why I didn't. I'm gonna go and do my makeup while this sits. It's growing on me, it's growing on me. My son said I look like a grandma, but you know, what does he know? I'm gonna let this sit, I'm gonna do my makeup, and when I come back, I'm gonna give you my final review on this. We'll be right back. Hi, we are back. This is the hair. Now check this out. Does she lay nice? Yes, absolutely. Is she thin as hell in some places? Absolutely. Like, check this out, check this out. If the wind were to blow, imagine the wind blowing. Oh my God, look at them tracks. Look at them, look at them. That's crazy. That is crazy. Another problem that I have with this wig is that there is an awful lot of shedding. Now, I'm not just talking about the shedding that happens when, hold on, I want the sign to show. Better. I'm not just talking about the shedding that happens when, you know, you snip it and you got the lace and you're trying to do, no, that shedding, that shedding's expected. But this shedding, it was just me brushing it. It hasn't shedded since, like after I styled it, but that's a lie, here's some shedding right here. I don't plan on doing much to it. I was gonna flip it with the curling iron. I was gonna do that and have a cute little do, but I gave up last minute. But it takes to heat pretty well. It's pretty soft. You can look at the cut right here and it's pretty choppy too. But whose fault is that really? I mean, I could fix it if I knew how to snip, you know. But yeah, that's all I gotta say about this wig. It wasn't too bad. Considering my first experience with this company and getting a wig from them, it was not the greatest at all. It's got a lot of movement. Those are my only issues with the wig, really. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got to say. If you're interested in the wig, the link will be listed down below, of course, in the description box, boo. Oh, if you also want to see how I did this makeup, It's coming up next. Don't worry about it. It's in the next video. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button, boo. It's right over there. Just click it. You'll love it. It's free. It gives you a nice little sensation of satisfaction, okay? Click the like button. And if you're new around these parts, don't forget to hit the subscriber button, okay? And join this beautiful ass gang. Always wanting, always welcoming. And while you're over there, there's a notification bell too, boo. Click it. So you'll know any and every time that I upload. Because I promise you I'll just be posting whenever. Anywho, I'll catch you next time, boo.